we're going to be testing out a tool that I've heard about before, but I've been seriously procrastinating on using. And even after I bought the tool, it's been sitting in my house for a little minute because I'm scared. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today my hair is a dry ass mess.
You nasty.
So to fix that, I'm gonna wash my hair. But if you're new here and you've never seen my wash day routine, I'll be sure to leave that video up in the iCards. But usually for my deep conditioning and detangling session, I use a regular mega wide tooth comb. And yeah. But for today, for your entertainment, I'm gonna be trying something new. So today's the day I've decided to be brave, and we are going to test out an electric detangling brush. I don't know why it's a brush. I think this is more a comb. It looks more a comb to me. But I never call it the electric detangling comb. Anyways, makes detangling easy and fast. For use on wet or dry hair, brush cover included, battery operated, 2 AA batteries included. Great, because I would have to go take out the battery out of my remote. No tears, no tangle, no tantrums. I mean, they have a little curly hair girl for the image on this box. So this is basically designed for kids. So it's supposed to be gentle. And they have a lot of squiggly curly lines on the box. So clearly it's meant for curly hair. But this seems like a gimmick. So we're gonna be brave today. We're gonna try out the Remington detangling brush, electric detangling brush, and I mean, what's the worst can happen? And it's purple, so I decided to wear purple. Is showing the unboxing process something YouTubers still do? Yeah, this probably was unnecessary, but and I was trying to open this all aesthetically pleasing, but I got impatient and I just ripped the thing open. So I don't know why I thought that the battery would already be in the comb, I mean the brush, but it wasn't. So I had to go digging further into the packaging for the battery. Found them! And yes, that is a screw that I need to remove. But luckily, I have a little mini screwdriver kit. So we're gonna have to do some work, alright? A bit dramatic, but you know. So I have my little toolkit here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's coming out. The batteries they provided. Granted, Remington batteries. They have their own battery brand. Talk about branding. The switch wasn't on. Okay. Oh, that was frightening. Alright, let's just put this back together. So that was pretty easy. Just pulled it out of the box, screw out the little screw and insert the batteries. Very simple.
And I'm a strong black woman.
We have to actually try it. Alright, so this is the on and off switch. Okay, they're all spinning. I mean, it's not that loud. The little teeth are flexible. Yeah, they're pretty flexible. The worst thing I'm imagining is that the teeth are spinning, and then as I run this in my hair, the teeth spin and just catches my hair and it just spins it in one complete tangled mess. So when I'm deep conditioning and detangling my hair, I like to separate my hair into 6 sections. Wow, my hair is really dry. Alright, so I have my spray bottle with water right here. My hair is just even too dry to separate. So let me just wet it a little bit. Give it some time to absorb the moisture because my hair is low porosity. Remove all jewelry that can snag on my hair. Right. Wow. My hair is really dry. Why did I wait this long to do my hair? Alright, let me add some conditioner to it from now. I usually prefer to separate my hair into sections and then add my conditioner to it, but the dryness. I'm being extra gentle with my hair since it's so dry. Ensure that conditioner is on all my hair strands, and then as usual I'm just gonna do a little finger detangling. I feel like I'm still procrastinating. I'm so nervous. Okay. Alright, we can do this. Ready? Ready. Alright. On. Right. So I normally start from my ends and work my way up. I don't expect to just glide through my hair because this is loud. That's not how I usually detangle my hair. At this stage, it just doesn't work like that. So I expect to just gently go through. Whew. I'm nervous. All the teeth are spinning. Cool. The worst thing I'm imagining is that the teeth are spinning, and then as I run this in my hair, the teeth spin and just catches my hair, and it just spins it in one complete tangled mess. Is this actually on? I'm not feeling anything. It's not pulling my hair out. I'm confused. Is this actually working? Or maybe my expectations were so low that I'm being impressed right now. Damn. I was really ready to trash this thing. Add a little more water. Am I ready to say that I don't find a problem with this tool? Maybe I actually like it? Just give me a second before I say anything. Hold on. I don't usually detangle my hair this fast. But at the same time, the front of my hair is usually the easiest to detangle. So I'm just taking out all the shedded hair. My hair hasn't been detangled in about 2 weeks, so of course there are shedded hair. It's actually good. Okay. But as I say, usually the front of my hair is the easiest to detangle. That's how I usually start with it, you know. So I'm not too demotivated to continue my wash day routine. So I'm just gonna put this section in one big plait so that it stays detangled. And I kind of feel like that took a shorter time than it would for my white tooth comb. Kind of. You see all these tangles? So a part of me wants to test out this tool without finger detangling first, but in all realness, in all fairness, under no circumstances would I ever actually not finger detangle my hair first before using any tool in my hair, any detangling tool. So I really don't think that's a relevant test to do. Yeah, not for me. So this is as much as I'm going to get finger detangled. Okay. And let me just show you how is it running a comb. Alright, so you see it's not detangled, it's just finger detangled. Okay. So real tangles up here, right at my roots.
Just look at my face. I really never expect to like this thing.
Here is the shedded hair, which is pretty normal. Let me see how it is running the white tooth comb through it. Alright. Detangle it. See? From roots to ends. Wow. I'm impressed. Like, I feel like this has a place in my detangling routine. Like, unless, of course, I'm going to make that disclaimer, if for some reason I start to pick up that it's actually causing my hair breakage, I will be the first one to tell you guys and I would stop using it. But for right now, I'm liking this. Also, what I've observed is that I'm using a lot less product in my hair. Like, usually when I'm using my white tooth comb to detangle my hair, I have to add a lot of water and a lot of conditioner, or I have to use a really good deep conditioner with really excellent slip. And this is a really good moisturizing deep conditioner, but it's not a deep conditioner with the best slip. So for my hair not to be dripping wet right now is impressive. Alright, it's impressive. I'm going to do less finger detangling for this section. Let's see how this works out. So I'm just gonna finish right here. The roots are still very much tangled. So, like, yeah. Alright, we just turned up the difficulty level. Ready? Start from the end same way. Alright. I feel a little more tension, a little more pulling than before. But I mean, this is a bigger section, and as I said, I did a lot less. Yeah, this is a bigger section, and I did a lot less finger detangling. So, yeah, I'm feeling a little pulled, but nothing terrible. I still don't feel any major snagging, but because it is a bigger section, it's taking a longer time. So let me just put this into, which I do sometimes. I do that sometimes. So of course, the smaller the section, the easier it is to detangle your hair. And that is complete.
Intermission! If you've been enjoying this video, don't forget to thumbs up and answer this question down below in the comment section.
Alright, that really wasn't bad. Let me do the other side. So basically, wow, I'm impressed, and I was ready to trash this thing. Like, I just don't understand how the spinning teeth isn't snagging on my kinky hair. That's where I'm confused. Very, very confused. Yeah, it's actually really, really gentle. Like, I'm not feeling any tear or snag any at all. And of course, usually if you're tugging on your hair, you feel it, or because I'm really gentle with my hair, so I am feeling my hair and ensuring that I'm not feeling any pulls or tears or breakage, but I'm not picking that up any at all. Like, my skeptical mind wants to say that maybe it's because it's vibrating. That's why I'm not feeling my hair strands tear. Maybe it's actually just tearing up my hair and I'm not feeling it because of the vibration in my hand. By the way, the vibration through your hair kind of feels nice, especially when you go up to your scalp. Yeah, it kind of gives you like a little massage. Yeah. Great! Okay, so I'm finished deep conditioning and detangling my hair. So now I'm gonna cover it up with my saran wrap and go to the gym, allow my hair to steam with some natural body heat, and yeah, shampoo and condition my hair.
And it's gonna be a boring shampoo and condition, so I never wanna show it. However, I have some really exciting wash days in one playlist, so I'll be sure to link that up in the iCards.
Anyways, I'm not here trying to sell you this tool, alright? Remington did reach out to me. This is not an ad, this is not sponsored, but I just thought it was a pretty cool looking tool I saw on Amazon and figured, hey, this would make kind of an interesting video. I was hoping for the best, but really expecting the worst. But in the end, I'm glad the worst didn't come. To prevent the little flexible teeth from bending and all of that, we are provided a cover. Good. So I'm gonna put this up now, and I actually didn't waste my money. I actually like this. Okay, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're absolutely confused as to where exactly my hair routine goes from here, I'll be sure to leave some videos up in the iCard so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, with my wash day routine, and aren't you rude? Anyways, I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards, so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and yeah. Hopefully after watching like one more or two more of my videos, you'll find it actually interesting here and decide that, hey, why don't I subscribe? Or you could subscribe from watching this one video here. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.